The latest revelation from NASA has sent tremors through the scientific world, and far beyond it. A new image, captured by the James Webb Space Telescope, has stunned even the most experienced astronomers. Until now, NASA had kept this observation closely guarded, releasing only fragments of data and brief statements. But when the full image was finally revealed, it changed everything. This is not just another discovery. It's a revelation that challenges the very structure of reality itself. A mystery so vast, so incomprehensible, that it may force science to rewrite the story of the cosmos. Since its launch, Webb has peered deeper into space and time than any telescope before it. It has watched stars being born, traced the faint light of galaxies that existed before Earth, and explored the atmospheres of distant alien worlds. Each discovery pushed the boundaries of what we knew. But this image, this one is different. It's more than scientific, it's unsettling. Beautiful, yes, but also terrifying. At first glance, it appears simple, a dark, faintly glowing region of space, not unlike a nebula or a distant cluster of galaxies. But when researchers examined it closely, they realized they were looking at something that defied every known category of cosmic structure. It wasn't a galaxy. It wasn't a nebula. It wasn't even a black hole or a starfield. It was something entirely new. What Webb saw was a colossal void, a region spanning billions of light years, so immense and so empty that it breaks our understanding of cosmic formation. Within that darkness are delicate, glowing filaments, threads of faint light arranged in eerie, rhythmic patterns, as though something unseen were weaving them together. The darkness isn't just empty space. It's structured, layered, almost as if it obeys rules we don't yet comprehend. If this image is real, it may mean that the foundation of modern cosmology, the model we've trusted for nearly a century, is incomplete, or even fundamentally flawed. For decades, our understanding of the universe rested on a simple framework, that it's made of ordinary matter, and dark energy, expanding steadily since the Big Bang. This model explains nearly everything: the spread of galaxies, the afterglow of creation, the cosmic web that ties it all together. But Webb's new image hints at something deeper, something hiding between those threads of light and gravity. The strange filaments don't behave like dark matter. They're far more diffuse and irregular, as if composed of an entirely new kind of substance, a form of matter or energy beyond anything physics has ever described. Could these be the remnants of the first forces that shaped the universe? Echoes of an energy field older than time itself? Or are we seeing a new phase of cosmic evolution, a transformation of the universe still unfolding before our eyes? Some physicists now believe these filaments may be regions where dark energy behaves differently, where the expansion of space is uneven, slowing in some areas while accelerating uncontrollably in others. If that's true, then the universe may not be expanding smoothly at all. It could be stretching unevenly, tearing and warping in places where the laws of physics begin to break down. Others have a more radical theory. They believe we might be seeing cosmic scars, one-dimensional remnants from the birth of reality itself. These theoretical threads, called cosmic strains, are thought to be fractures formed when space-time cooled from pure energy into structure. If the faint glowing lines in this image truly are cosmic strains, then Webb may have just revealed the skeleton of the universe, the framework upon which all matter and galaxies are built. Yet, there's an even more haunting idea, that what Webb captured might not belong to our universe at all. The faint patterns could be ripples of energy leaking from higher dimensions, waves from realms that exist just beyond human perception. In that case, the void wouldn't be empty. It would be a boundary, a thin veil separating our reality from another. If so, the James Webb Space Telescope may have done the unthinkable. It may have looked across the edge of our universe and glimpsed the presence of another one beyond it. The implications are staggering. hidden dimensions, parallel realities, a universe that may not be alone. And if that's true, then the vast silent regions of space, those cosmic deserts once thought to be empty, might not be empty at all. They could be alive with unseen forces, energies that move like tides beneath the surface of existence, or even vast, invisible structures that overlap with our own reality. For generations, scientists have believed the vacuum of space was stillness, a place without sound, without life, without motion. But now, that illusion begins to crumble. The new data from the James Webb Space Telescope hints at something far deeper, a hidden architecture, a living geometry woven into the darkness itself. This discovery doesn't merely challenge physics. It redefines what existence means. Because if other layers of reality are folded into ours, then life may not be what we think it is. It may not breathe, or move, or shine. It may resonate. It may exist as patterns of energy, as conscious structures inhabiting the deeper folds of the universe, not seen, but felt, not visible, but real. The Webb telescope was designed to look backward in time, to study the first stars, the earliest galaxies, the faint light left over from creation itself. But instead, it may have revealed something even more profound, not the beginning of the universe, but its hidden depths. A side of the cosmos that exists right now, just beyond the limits of human perception. This particular void, the one Webb captured, is unlike any cosmic void ever recorded. Ordinary voids, no matter how vast, still contain the faint glimmer of galaxies, the soft whisper of dust, the ghostly trails of light stretched thin by expansion. But this one is different. Its edges are smooth, its heart perfectly dark, as if space itself has been carved away, as though a piece of reality has gone missing. And yet, within that hollow silence, delicate filaments flicker in rhythm, subtle, precise, almost intelligent. They pulse with a pattern that defies randomness, as if obeying an unseen order. Like the heartbeat of something vast and alive. It is as though the universe itself is breathing, and for the first time, we have heard it exhale. If these patterns are real, then space-time may not be the smooth, expanding fabric we once believed. It may be layered, folded, and alive, a living organism of time and matter, shifting and evolving in ways we are only beginning to sense. Some scientists whisper that what Webb captured could be evidence of interdimensional boundaries, places where our universe brushes against another. If so, then those faint ripples of light might be the scars where realities touch. And if that's true, then for the first time in history, human eyes may be staring directly into the horizon of the multiverse. Think about that for a moment. The multiverse, once an idea of science fiction, may have just left its first trace in the real sky. The deeper we look, the stranger the cosmos becomes. Every discovery reshapes what we thought we knew. Every explanation opens new questions. Every mystery reminds us that truth, no matter how far we reach, always lies just beyond our grasp. Perhaps that is the universe's greatest secret, not that it hides its answers, but that it invites us to keep asking. The cosmos is not static. It's not silent. It's alive, a grand, breathing continuum of energy and motion, stretching across realities and time. The James Webb Space Telescope has once again shown us that the closer we come to understanding the universe, the more it reveals how little we truly know. Each discovery humbles us. Each revelation deepens the mystery. And that may be the point. The universe is not meant to be fully understood, only explored. Because in every unknown lies the next beginning. This could mark the dawn of a new era in astronomy, one where science meets philosophy, where imagination and mathematics intertwine, and where humanity dares to ask questions that stretch beyond the boundaries of reality itself. So now we are left to wonder, what did Webb really see out there? A new structure within the cosmic fabric, or a glimpse into something far stranger? Was it evidence of the multiverse, or the first echo of another kind of existence? Tell us what you think. Because out there, in the dark between galaxies, something vast is stirring, and the story of the universe is only just beginning.